Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can clone any website and how we can host that clone website to the live server. So I'm going to show you a step by step. So here we go. So first of all, we need to find a website, which website you want to clone. So I'm going to open that website TCP new demo. And as you can see, this website have a multiple pages like home, menu, about, book table. Okay. Now I'm going to clone all these pages. So first of all, open the terminal, okay, on your laptop. And first check wget is installed on your laptop or not. Okay. So wget, just search here. And as you can see here, wget missing URL. It means wget is installed. If wget is not installed on your laptop or system, then just search your wget for Windows or you can download it. MacBook have a default wget. Okay. Now here, what we need to do here, just type here wget double dash and mirror space double dash convert single dash link double dash weight equal to space. You need to paste your website URL here and just copy that website URL, okay, and just paste it here. Okay, I'm gonna just remove the index, the main website URL, and just enter. Okay, and once you've done this, that will download all your website pages. Okay, so let's wait some seconds. As you can see here, we have run that command in the MacBook here. It means in the home directory. You can shift your directory to CD home or CD desktop or CD document anywhere, and then you can run that command. So I've run that command in the home directory. So let's go to the home directory here. As you can see, TCP new demo folder is created. Just open that. As you can see here, all these files is here. Now let's open that index.html. And as you can see, this website is in a local host. You can see localhost URL. You can redirect to the menu. We have used convert link parameter also. So that will convert all your link to the localhost. As you can see, about us, book table, all the pages we have. We have cloned our website. Now I want to need some changes on that website and I'm going to host that website in the live server. Okay. So first of all, open. As you can see, this is the folder we have. Okay. So I'm going to open that folder in VS Code. So open the VS Code. Click on file, click on open folder, TCP new demo website, just open it. Now, as you can see here, we have the about.html, index.html. Now, what we need to do here, go to the home like there. And as you can see here, this is the fast food restaurant. Okay. So just copy that, go here and just search here. Use command F or control F and just search. This, as you can see here, 3 times. Okay. So I'm going to just replace this to TCP cafe. Okay. And just replace all like this. If you want to find that in the all these pages, like 4 pages or 5 pages, so use the command shift F or control shift F and search it. As you can see, there is nothing like this. Okay, just save it, TCP cafe. That's really good. Now I'm going to just try the about. As you can see, we are here. Now, as you can see, they have a footer. Okay, they have details like contact number, email, that. Okay, so I'm going to just copy that email here. Okay, and just find here how many times is there is 4 pages that the same details. Okay, so I'm going to just click on this arrow and replace all these emails from my own email tcb@gmail.com and just click on here to replace for all pages. Done. Now let me just refresh this and go home. Yes, tcb@gmail.com. So we have replaced the content, okay, in clone website. Now this is our folder. Okay, as you can see, this is our folder. Now I need to host that website. So for that, we need to buy any hosting. So I'll give you the link of Hostinger in the description. So you will get 20% off. Okay. So after purchasing the hosting, you need to go to the file manager. You can use any hosting. Okay. But make sure whenever you log into your hosting, you need to go to the file manager of your hosting. Okay. File manager. Under that file manager, you will have the public_HTML folder. Open this. And as you can see, you will get some files or will not get some files. So I'm going to delete that file under the public HTML folder, like delete this. And now I'm going to upload my whole folder files here. Okay. So how we can do this? So just go here, open that folder, and we need to upload all these folder and file both. Okay. So select all these file. Okay. Select all these file and just zip that file, compress, like we have a zip file. Now I'm going to upload that zip file. Okay. So just drag and drop that zip file here. Okay. And wait some seconds and it's done. Okay. Now let me just unzip that file now. Now right click on that zip file. And as you can see here, the extract option, click on extract. And they are asking for the new folder. So you can just type your new folder. We don't require that, but I need to do this because there is no other option for that. So I'm going to just select the new and just click on extract. Okay. So we have the new folder, and that new folder, as you can see here, we have all the files. Okay. Now I'm going to select that file and I'm going to select all the files here. Okay, like this. And just we need to move that. As you can see, there's a move option. Click on move file and we need to move all these files to the public HTML. Okay, so double click and double click here and we can see the new folder. So we don't need to go to the under the new folder, just paste it here. Move public HTML folder. Go here, just home. So under the public HTML folder, we have all the files. So make sure we have index file. Yes. Now let's open this TCB new.xyz and amazing. As you can see, TCB Cafe. This is our live website. Cool. And as you can see, this all will redirect to the other pages. Fantastic. So this is how you can clone any website and how you can host the website. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.